So I picked this thing up this year because I thought it looked really cool, and I had visions of selling it and making a bunch of money. Then I eventually realized that it's essentially, from what I can tell, a no-name thing, and it's been painted with house paint, and all that sort of went away. And I was moving it out of the truck, and I was just gonna take it apart and piss people off on the internet when I heard something inside of it. And I look inside the 8-track, and I can see something down in there. Guess what it was? That is somebody's gold stash. That's what that is. It's a frickin' gold stash. I don't know. That's some sort of, like, maybe a insulin, an old insulin vial, maybe. But yeah, that's somebody's gold stash in there. I don't know how much is in there, but it's not tiny. So I can hear a bunch more stuff in there. So you better believe at some point we're going to take the rest of this apart. But I just thought that was pretty darn cool. I don't want to break the vial. But there's more than enough weight in there that you can feel it hit one end or the other. So there is gold in old electronics. Literally.